Ever wondered what it's like to explore the underwater world without getting wet, or to glide effortlessly beneath the waves? Today, we're diving into some of the coolest underwater technology you can buy, from powerful underwater drones that reveal what's hidden below the surface to incredible sea scooters that let you move through the water with ease. Whether you're a scuba diver, snorkeler, fisherman, underwater filmmaker, or simply love ocean adventures, there's something here for you. Welcome to Tech Trek Net. I'm your host. Now, watch this. Ever wondered what...
And it all starts with the FIFISH V6 Expert, a machine built for the pros. Picture this. You're on the deck of a boat, waves gently rocking beneath you, and you lower the FIFISH into the water. Instantly, your tablet lights up with real-time 4K UHD visuals from the seafloor. With 360-degree movement in any direction, this isn't just a drone, it's an extension of you. You glide through reefs and wrecks with absolute control. LED lights blast through the darkness, revealing hidden sea creatures and underwater secrets. Pop on the included VR headset and suddenly, you're not on the boat anymore. You're in the ocean. This is the professional's dream rig with a 100-meter cable, manual spool, and a rugged case that makes transport easy and safe. Perfect for marine researchers, serious divers, or YouTubers chasing cinematic underwater shots. But maybe you're craving depth.
A sleek shadow cuts through the water like a torpedo. That's the Waydoo Subnado underwater scooter, a compact, high-powered sea scooter that feels like an extension of your body. Its black and red aluminum shell gleams as sunlight filters through the waves above, and you realize you're not swimming, you're flying. With a max depth of nearly 200 feet and up to 56 minutes of ride time, this thing is built for real exploration. Mount it to your arms, your legs, or your tank, and shoot forward with the strength of a pro diver. It's lightweight, it's USB-C fast charging, and it's perfect for serious adventures or casual snorkeling with style. This one isn't just a scooter, it's your underwater jetpack. If you like
a lot of depth. That's where the Chasing Gladius Mini S comes in. Compact but powerful, this drone can descend a jaw-dropping 200 meters. It's your go-to companion for extreme underwater missions, from scouting shipwrecks to capturing bioluminescent life deep below. Thanks to anti-stuck motor tech and low-light optimization, you won't have to worry about debris or murky water cutting your journey short. You're in control, even in the most demanding environments. Its 4K UHD camera captures every detail, while the long tether gives you the freedom to chase exploration to its limits. Now, let's say you want
like power and control? Meet the Edge K5 modular underwater scooter. Imagine zipping past coral at a brisk 2 meters per second. Fast enough to feel the thrill, but smooth enough to enjoy the view. I tested this with a GoPro mounted right on the nose, and the footage? Absolutely cinematic. The K5 features 3 distinct speed modes, a detachable modular design, and a camera mount for creators. It charges in just 2 hours and hits depths of 164 feet. When you're out in the open sea and want options, the K5 delivers. It's like having a personal marine vehicle in your backpack.
The PowerVision PowerRay Wizard. This isn't just a drone, it's a fully loaded experience. You're on a dock, ready to explore the underwater world, and you slip on the Zeiss VR goggles. Suddenly, your phone becomes your eyes as the PowerRay descends. With real-time streaming and crystal-clear 4K recording, this drone is built for both casual explorers and content creators. The included fish finder sonar and bait drop system make it a favorite for anglers, while the 12MP camera captures the vibrant marine ecosystem in lifelike detail. It's great for immersive learning, research, or just capturing the perfect shot for your next video. Now,
next up is the F2 dual-motor underwater scooter, and this one is all about versatility. Picture this. You're in a tropical lagoon, crystal clear water all around, and your kid is beside you, both of you using F2S to explore the seabed together. It's powerful, but not overwhelming. And with both an action camera mount and a selfie stick attachment, it's built for memories. Whether you're filming your dives or just gliding through schools of fish, this water scooter holds steady with dual propellers, a 98-foot depth rating, and intuitive controls for both kids and adults. Pool days just got enough.
Key for you, you'll want to meet the Geneinno underwater drone. Sleek, lightweight, and surprisingly tough, This compact ROV gives you high-quality footage with image stabilization packed into a form factor that's made for travel. Picture this. You're on a yacht, anchored near a coral reef, and in just minutes, your Geneinno drone is beneath the surface recording crisp 4K visuals. Real-time viewing lets you monitor every move, while extended battery life means you won't have to rush your exploration. It's not just about fun either. This drone is perfect for underwater inspections, yacht maintenance, and educational marine activities. Now maybe
Upgrade. Now, let's talk brains. The Geneinno S2. Underwater scooter isn't just about power, it's smart. As soon as I connected it to the companion app, I could monitor my battery, speed, and dive time in real time. It felt like having a dive computer and a scooter all in one. Whether you're training for free diving or just tracking your stats, the S2 delivers. It's lightweight, TSA compliant, and built with dual motors that push up to 1.2 meters per second. For tech lovers and serious an upgrade. Now, let's talk brains.
Now maybe you're just getting started and don't want to drop thousands on your first drone. No worries. The Chasing Dory is the budget-friendly explorer that proves great things come in small packages. Designed for casual use, this palm-sized drone features a 1080p Full HD camera, seamless Bluetooth control, and one-click social sharing. It's the kind of gadget you toss in a backpack before hitting the beach. You find a calm spot, cast it into the water, and moments later you're seeing schools of fish darting across your screen. Whether you're snorkeling, fishing, or just having fun with friends, Chasing Dory is a fantastic entry-level option that still delivers quality. So how do you choose
Tini is probably the most compact and fun underwater scooter I've tried. It's bright, portable, and surprisingly powerful for its size. In one test, I brought it along on a beach trip and let friends try it out. Kids, adults, even a few skeptical swimmers. Everyone loved it. It has a built-in mount for your phone or camera, and the modular design means you can link two units together for double the thrust. It fits in a small bag, charges quick, and makes you the center of attention at any pool party or beach dive. Then there's the Navbow professional underwater scooter, the deep diver's favorite. This machine means business. Dual high-torque propellers, OLED display with real-time data, and one-handed operation make it the tool of choice for those who take their underwater footage seriously. I took it on a reef dive and was able to hover, chase, and glide with absolute precision. It even has multiple speed levels and a 60-minute battery life. If you're into scuba diving and want a professional-grade ride, Navbow delivers a cinematic experience with every pull. And to wrap up the main list, let's surface with the Asiwo electric swimming kickboard. Don't underestimate this one. It might be aimed at kids and beginners, but it's seriously fun for everyone. I tested it in a backyard pool, and even experienced swimmers enjoyed the 3 speed settings and easy grip controls. It's a game changer for learning how to swim, doing laps, or just enjoying a motorized ride across the water. Lightweight, rechargeable, and extremely user-friendly, the Asiwo Kickboard is a unique take on swim tech that deserves a spot in any family's water gear lineup. So after all that, let's break it down one more time. This time with a little more detail for each model, to help you decide which one fits your lifestyle. The Waydoo Subnado is your go-to for ultralight, high-depth dives. It's one of the few scooters you can wear or mount in different configurations. Great for pro divers, underwater photographers, or anyone who values portability with real power. And that red-black finish? It turns heads both underwater and in your gear bag. The Edge. K5 is perfect for thrill seekers and gadget lovers. The modular build means it's easy to repair or upgrade, and the triple speed setting lets you control your experience. It's fast, flexible, and travel-ready. If you're into underwater exploration and want speed plus control, this one's calling your name. The F2 scooter is the family-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice capability. Dual motors, solid waterproofing, and mounts for both selfie sticks and action cams make this ideal for beach days and travel. Whether you're snorkeling in Okinawa or pool diving in Florida, this scooter is the social swimmer's best friend. The Geneinno S2 is like having a dive computer and motor in one. Tech-forward swimmers and divers will love the app integration, compact form, and TSA-friendly battery. Great for training, free diving, and short ocean dives where efficiency and feedback matter. The Whiteshark Tini wins on size, style, and fun factor. If you want to bring something compact to your vacation that everyone will want to try, this is it. And if you're into customization, you can double it up for extra power. Lightweight enough for kids, powerful enough for you. The Navbow is where precision meets performance. OLED screen, pro camera mounts, and serious torque make it the best option for scuba divers and underwater filmmakers. If you're exploring caves, reefs, or documenting marine life, the Navbow gives you everything you need, plus an hour of runtime. And finally, the Asiwo electric kickboard is a totally different type of experience. It's not a scooter, it's a training and recreational board with motorized assistance. Great for learning, playing, or improving swim strength, with speeds to match your pace. And yes, it's also just plain fun. So, which one is calling to you? Whether you're exploring coral reefs, filming deep-sea footage, or just enjoying motor-powered laps in the pool, there's a water scooter or kickboard here that'll level up your summer. Don't forget
underwater drone for you. If you're a professional looking for unrestricted movement and cinematic visuals, go for the FIFISH V6 Expert. If you want to push the boundaries and explore deeper than most drones can handle, the Chasing Gladius Mini S is unbeatable. For an immersive, feature-packed experience with VR and sonar tech, the PowerRay Wizard is your guy. Prefer something light and travel-ready? The Geneinno balances portability with performance. And if you're just starting your underwater journey or want something affordable, the Chasing Dory is your perfect companion. These aren't just drones, they're your passport to the last great unexplored frontier on Earth. With 4K clarity, real-time streaming, and next-gen deep dive and want more awesome tech reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Because here on TechTrekNet, we explore where tech meets adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.